sound fine?
Yeah, so we're in the 150s, which is the normal heart rate for a baby, and about twice what yours is. I can kind of hear yours in the background, that slower pulsing. That's your uterine artery, but that 150s is the baby. All right. Sounds good.
Good. What if his heart rate was like slower?
Yeah, heart rates typically for babies are somewhere between the 110s and the 160s or 170s. They gradually get, like this 150s will probably get a little bit slower as the baby gets bigger, because their hearts don't have to beat quite as fast to do the trick when they get a little bit bigger.
Yeah.
But that's a very normal heartbeat for like 11, 12-week baby.